I exercise wisdom and patience in trading. I wait for the right entry to present itself. I wait for the best trade setups. Forex trading is easy to me. I instantly recognize trading opportunities. I am not an emotional trader.
Alright guys, you're all welcome as you're joining the live stream. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, let's see on the comments, loud and clear. Please confirm that you all can hear me loud and clear. Thank you.
I am consistently in profit. I practice proper risk management. Forex is fun. My judgment and analysis helps me predict the price movement.
Alright guys, if you can all hear me loud and clear, let's see on the comments, loud and clear.
I am a patient trader. My Forex account grows daily. I am grateful. I am grateful I learned to trade. I am a profitable trader. I understand the market. I am a disciplined trader. I patiently wait for the best setups. I trust my trading plan. I consistently catch 2,000 pips a day. I am a professional trader. I enter and exit trades when the market tells me to. I study the charts daily. I'm so happy and grateful now. Money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis.
Yes, I am so happy and grateful now. Money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. What's going on, superstars? It's Sam Keys here again, and I'm super excited to be live on this new channel for the first time. We actually started streaming on this new channel, that is Freedom Trade House Live, with 300 subscribers on board. And by the end of this live stream, we're going to check out the number of subscribers we have. So if you're just joining us, you want to ensure that you smash the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, because we're about to take you to a journey that is going to expose you to becoming a profitable trader. It's all about seeing the market in the most profitable way. All right, before we dive in, I really want to know those who are joining the live stream. So put on the comments your name and where you're joining from. If you guys can actually hear me loud and clear, let's see it on the comments, guys. Loud and clear. If you guys can hear me, let's see it on the comments, loud and clear. And also you put on the comments where you're joining from. So let's go over to the live chat. I can see Johnson Adura, I can see Miguel joining the live stream, and I can also see Vincent joining. Let's see, where are you guys joining this live stream from? All right, let's get it rolling all the way up, superstars. Okay, so I'm right back. I want to confirm that you all can hear me, that the audio is loud, because I don't want you to miss any part of it, right? I don't want you to miss any part of it. So today we are going to be taking a look at a couple of markets, all right? Please confirm, please, before I go further, because I don't want you guys to miss anything here. Let's confirm you guys can hear me loud and clear. Like, it's pretty loud and very clear for you, or maybe you want me to bring the microphone closer. Okay, I think the mic is closer now. Okay. I think it's better off like this. I think the audio is much better with this way. Confirm that you guys can hear me better with the audio this way. I think it's much better. So we can actually shoot with it. Let's go. Let's dive it. If you guys excited and you're ready for what we're about to do, let's see some ATWU on the comments all the way. Nothing can stop me. All right, great. So let's see those who are joining. I can see from Edo State, Nigeria represented here. I can also see Josh from Jigawa, Nigeria. Have Ibrahim also from Nigeria. Lee from South Africa. I can see Michael from Kenya joining the live stream, and we'll also have from Zimbabwe. We have someone represented from Port Harcourt, and we'll also have somebody joining from where else? I have Mercy from Nigeria. Is a word from the United Arab Emirates. Let's see where you guys joining from. I want to confirm where you are all joining from. We're going all the way up. I can also see Miguel from Suriname. Good to have all of you here. Let's go all the way up. We got to make some money here today. Yes. So what are the markets that we're going to be taking a look at today? We'll be looking at XAUUSD because today we had NFP, right? And on our Telegram channel, I actually gave a chart analysis, and we talked about where price is going to be going to, and we also talked about the outcome from the particular news. All right, we gave an outcome of the news. So let's go over to our Telegram channel. If you guys are not in the Telegram channel yet, what you want to do is check the description of this video, and then you gonna see the link to join our Telegram channel, or you type on your screen t.me/Freedom Trade House. You just type it in your browser. I'm gonna put it on the screen up here, t.me/Freedom Trade House. There's a lot of scammer pages on Telegram, those impersonators and clones that claim to be Freedom Trade House, but they don't use this same link. You can see it is Freedom Trade House without a superscript or a subscript or a prefix or a suffix. It doesn't have any of that. It's Freedom Trade House. So just check the link in the description of this video, and you're going to get access to our Telegram channel. So you can see before the news and right after the news, this is what we had. So we're going to figure out the reason why price did this, and we're also going to be taking some live trades, with respect to that. If you're joining the channel for the first time, subscribe now and give us some thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this live stream to others that are on YouTube. Now let's dive in straight to what we got to do today. All right, let's go to the charts right now. Okay. Take a look. We're going to be starting off our analysis with XAUUSD. If you are looking for a broker to trade XAUUSD, you can check the description of this video to sign up with Exness, which is the recommended broker for trading currency pairs like GBPUSD and so on. Or you visit bit.ly/Exness keys to sign up with my partner link, and that could actually give you access to our Forex signal channel. All right, you sign up right away, and then we're gonna go to go. All right, take a look at what happened on XAUUSD today. We had a trend line on the 15 minutes chart. That's what I'm showing you guys now. We have a trend line from the bottom here and up to this particular point. And at the time of the news, actually what happened today was for the first time in a very long time, it really hasn't happened like this. You can see that the market went downwards, and right after it went downwards, it gave a rejection to the top side. Unlike the previous data that we had on the NFP for February and also the NFP for January as well as December, price went one way. You guys can confirm it. Those of you that trade NFP, right? Price went one way in the previous month. It just went down, and it continued going down and down and down. But today we had price go downwards, and later on it started pumping to the top side. And this actually took a lot of people out, those that had their stop loss very close to this particular point. It took them out here, and those who were trading with pending orders, it took them out, and it also took them out at the top there. So the market was quite unusual on XAUUSD today. So what is our speculation and what are we expecting from the market today? The news is over and the market is currently moving as it ought to. Let's see if there's any other news coming up on Forex Factory. We can see for the rest of today, Friday, March 8th, there is no more news coming forth, right, on this particular market. So let's go back to the chart. What are we going to be expecting on this market? What are we expecting on this market? Let's go to the 30 minutes chart, or perhaps just please take note, XAUUSD is currently sitting around its all-time high, right? A new all-time high. This is about 2001.86. You guys can look at the chart. I'm just going to go back. This is the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart, and you can see for a very long time price has really not come around this particular zone. So it's currently at its highest point, that is XAUUSD. So what I'm anticipating, market is really going to continue an uptrend, and I'm anticipating the price hitting $2,200. The only thing we're just gonna do is to make sure that we figure out good entries, because trading is all about entries. Everybody put on the comments, trading is all about entries. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, let's see it on the comments. Trading is all about entries. You got to get the right direction, which is the direction of bias. You got to enter on time, enter with the appropriate lot size, and also exit in profit. That is our objective for trading. We want to get in on time and get out in profit. Put on the comments, guys. Trading is all about entries. You get it right, you come back home with the money. Don't get to the river without coming back without water. So that is what we currently have on XAUUSD on the live stream. Now, if you guys can hear me loud and clear and you're following, let's see some ATWU on the comments. Let's see it. ATWU on the comments. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. All right, with that, let's go over to Volatility 75 index. If you guys are excited about this market, let's see some V75 on the comments. If you're excited, we want to take a look at Volatility 75 now. Please put on the comments V75, Volatility 75. It's time for us to actually make some profits on this particular market, and just like the ones that we've been milking a moment before now. Okay, guys, let's dive in for business. All right, let's dive in for business now. Volatility 75 index. 2 days ago, that's particularly 2 days ago, I gave a buy signal, a free signal on our Telegram channel. By the way, if you have not joined the Telegram channel, check the description of this video to get in now so you don't miss our next signal on Volatility 75. I'm going to change the time frame to 30 minutes time frame, and I'm also going to show you guys the signal that I gave on the Telegram channel. For those of you who are just coming across Freedom Trade House for the first time, I'm going to show you guys this so that you can, you can relate very well with what we're doing in here. All right. So 2 days ago, I gave a buy signal on Volatility 75 index, and the market gave us 1,133 pips profit. And that was very phenomenal. That was very, very phenomenal. Let's go over to our Telegram channel. So I will show you guys this. Let's see it on the Telegram channel. Look at it, guys. This is the point where I gave the signal. Take a look at it, guys. I gave the signal for Volatility 75 index buys. Here was the exact point, buy Volatility 75. And a lot of us got in. A few moments later, it started going up, get to our take profit one. You can see where it was approaching that, and I actually told the people to give us some rating, and let me give a 5-star to this. You can see we have about 76% of the people give some 5-star to our free signals on Telegram. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, ensure you get there. You just get subscribed. It's absolutely free of charge. Now take a look at the market. Volatility 75 finally hit our take profit 2, and after hitting the take profit 2, it rallied to the top side up to 800 pips after hitting take profit too. So we actually banked the whole of that profit. Now today we're going to be looking at for more setups like that, and if you guys are really following closely, you're not going to miss it. So what are we anticipating for volatility 75 today? The market is in an uptrend. You see the reaction at this bottom here. The reaction at the bottom here gave us a double bottom and confirmed convergence, and that brought about the pump to the top side. If you guys don't know about convergence or divergence, go to our official channel where we have the lessons for trading. I'm just going to put that on the screen. youtube.com/freedom-trade-house. There we have a lot of tutorials that's going to help you get guided, and also know how to trade pretty well. You're just going to check it out up on our YouTube channel, Freedom Trade House. You're going to see tutorials on my strategies. Okay, so let's go over to the chart. Volatility 75. What are we anticipating? So price has actually given us a turning point around this bottom here. So we are looking at for a rally to the top side. As you can see, I actually identified a supply zone at the top. So we're going to be looking out for opportunity to get price here. Now, if you didn't get in during the contraction down here, what you want to do is wait for price to come up here, because there's going to be a reaction. There's going to be a sell reaction on price when it gets up here. This is about 22.75. So we're going to be anticipating a sell reaction in the market there. Or if we want to ride along, right? If you want to ride along to that particular point, we're going to pick some retracement. There's going to be some retracement on volatility 75, and that will give us some quality entry. And we're going to be taking up the entries up to that particular point. Now, for you to be a successful trader, you need to have a proper understanding of the concept of supply, resistance, or let me take that again, support, resistance, and trend lines. Everybody put on the comments, SRT. Put on the comments if you are following SRT. In your trading, you need to know how to identify support, resistance, and trend lines, because these are the fundamental concepts that helps you to get appropriate analysis in the market that can guide you into profits. It's very important that every one of you actually understand these concepts that I just shared with you. All right, furthermore, we're going to be looking at another market, which is volatility 25.1s. Volatility 25.1s. You can see the market is currently giving us the pump. I always identify my supply and demand zones. So that is one of the things you guys want to do. As well as the support and resistance, you need to learn how to convert that to supply and demand. So if the support and resistance goes beyond just a thin line and it is identified as a zone, right? That is what we refer to as supply and demand. So at the bottom here, we have a demand because price is currently at a support zone. So this is a demand and price is reacting to it. So for volatility 25.1s, I'm looking for a buy opportunity because price has reacted here. And the buy opportunity is potentially going to be taking us up to this particular point. So let's step down into the 5-minute chart. Let's step down into the 5-minute chart. If you're all following, put V25.1s on the comments. If you're all following the live stream, put volatilities 25.1s, V25.1s. Let's see it on the comments, guys. If you're all following, let's see it, V25.1s. So I'm currently looking at this. All right, I'm currently looking at for the reaction of price. This is the 30 minutes chart, right? Looking for the reaction of price up here, and price currently rallying, of course, and that confirms with a convergence on this time frame. You guys are going to look at it very well in 30 minutes. We have this 5 minutes. We have it right here. So price is not just going to pump. It's not just going to go all the way straight up there. No, it's going to give us some reaction. And when it gives that reaction, we could be looking for something like this on the MACD, and up it goes. So we could be looking out for an activity like that taking place on volatility 25.1s. So currently it's reacting here, and this is the 5 minutes chart. If we had gotten in quite earlier, I could have given you the proper entry from this particular bottom, because we had a well enough breakout of the chart from here. right? We had a well enough breakout, and this breakout is what gave a momentum, all right, to the market that took it up to this particular level. So we're definitely going to be looking at some reaction at the point of the trend line for volatility 251S. I'm going to be sending this signal on real time. I'm going to be sharing the signal on our Telegram channel. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, make sure you go join in right now. If you're looking for the broker to trade synthetic indices with, check the description of this video. You're going to see link to sign up with Deriv. You use my affiliate link, that's the partner link, so that you get special offers. All right, so let's go over to one more market. I'm going to load up another market. Let's take a look at GBPUSD. So you guys put on the comments, what is the market you want me to do an analysis on? Which market would you like us to take a look at and identify a signal opportunity that we can trade? Which market would you like us to take a look at? Put it on the comments, and I'm going to project it in. I'm going to give you guys my take on that particular market. Let's go. So we're going to be looking at GBPJPY for those of you trading GJ in the Forex space. Let's see what we got on GJ. On GBPJPY today, let's see if I have it here. GBPJPY, I got to bring it in. Let's see, GBPJPY. All right, I'm just going to bring that in. All right, it's in now. So let's switch to the market, GBPJPY. What instrument would you like us to take a look at? Put it on the comments, guys. I want to see what instrument you'd like me to do some analysis to help you guys out with, so that you can know what bias to actually run with. All right, put it on the comments, guys. So take a look at this. We have take a look at this. This is volatility, not volatility. This is GBPJPY currently. So we have price giving us some pump to the top side right after the reaction of NFP, which brought price downwards here. So price is trying to get back up at this particular level, and we can see very clearly that this came about with some level of convergence at the bottom, which indicates that price is potentially going to be looking out for some rally to the top side. So we have a point where price should break, which is this resistance at the top here. So price should be looking to break this resistance. So right after breaking the resistance, GBPJPY can potentially look out for a pump to the top, maintaining the structure of a channel. Let me just get a parallel channel tool, connecting this to here. We'll be having the reaction of price giving us this. All right, so price could be reacting and getting to the top of this particular channel on GBPJPY. For those of you who want to be getting our Forex signals, you know what to do. Just get on our Telegram channel and follow the updates for Forex signals. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of signals that's going to help you guys, you know, milk the market profitably. So this is GBPJPY. I'm going to go over to the comments now. I know you guys put some requests, the market you want us to do analysis on. Somebody says volatility 75, volatility 100, and what other instrument? Step index. Someone posted step index on the comment there. So let's quickly get into the charts. Let's quickly get into the charts and identify where we got the opportunities that could be traded. All right, volatility 100. I'm going to be starting off with that. Volatility 100. Okay, let's see it. Volatility 100. We can see price on the 15 minutes time frame has been inside of the zone, and it's given us some level of contraction here. So what I want to do is just connect the lows and also connect the highs. Then I'm gonna follow the direction of the breakout of the zone. Can you all see what pattern do you see price creating? If you guys are following, let me see who is gonna win our giveaway today. What pattern is this contraction creating according to what I am drawing on the chart? What pattern do you see, guys? What pattern do you see? If you get my questions right, you get a gift from me. If you don't get it, forget about it. All right, let's see. What pattern do you see here? What pattern do you see? I want to know. Let's see. What pattern do you see? Let's get the comments there. Let's get it there. And also, if you got questions, you can put the questions on the comment. I'm going to be ending the session in the next 5 minutes. So let's see. What pattern do you see? What pattern? Okay, 𝗏𝗏𝗰𝗁𝗂 is the first person who got it right. It's not a triangle. It's not just a triangle. It's a symmetric triangle. And I'm giving that to Desmond. So you're going to send us a message, Desmond, and we're going to give you your gift. All right. Let's see if we're going to get some other person who is going to win something from this live stream. Let's go on. So this is the symmetrical triangle, and we're looking out for price to break out of this triangle before we execute a buy or a sell. The reason is you may get to the bottom and think, hey, this guy is about to sell, and you take a sell, and price is going to start going up and get stuck inside of this triangle. You don't want to do that. Our objective of trading is to analyze the contraction and trade the expansion. Everybody put on the comments, analyze the contraction and trade the expansion. Analyze the contraction and trade the expansion. I want to see it on the comments, guys. Put it right there. Analyze the contraction and trade the expansion. So if you can identify what kind of contraction pattern price is actually creating, it places you at an edge to know what to expect. If price breaks out of it and gives you a proper structure that is going to continue in the direction of the breakout, then that is an opportunity for you to make money, because it is the expansion that actually brings the profit. The expansion brings profit. Everybody put on the comment, expansion brings profit. So for volatility 100, we're going to be waiting for price to actually get out of that zone. I'm going to be loading up step index, and we're going to do some analysis on step index for you guys that trade step index. All right, so we're looking out for the breakout of this particular zone, and we're going to take it off. So volatility 75. Remember I said something. Okay, let's see if we got some information that we can work with from this particular level. It's not typical, right? It's not typical of the value area concept that I teach you guys. This is not typical of it, but I think there's going to be a reaction of price here, and after here we're going to be having price getting here. So we're looking out for the reaction of this trend line. Just relax. All right, we're waiting for that opportunity. Sniper entry. We're looking for one opportunity, we shoot and we make profit. That is the objective for trading. You find a quality opportunity, you shoot, and then you exit and profit. So just hang on for volatility 75. We're going to wait for price to give us that opportunity that we need to make profits. Okay, let's go over. Remember, I told you guys just a few minutes ago, I told you that volatility 25 1S is not just going to go all the way straight up. No, it doesn't work that way. This guy is not going to go all the way up. I've been trading this market for 4 years. All right. And you guys that are actually starting your trading journey, if you're just getting in here newly, you are at an advantage because you have someone who's got the experience that you want to leverage on. So I told you this guy is not going to go up. It's not just going to go straight up like this. No, it has never happened. It will never happen that way. So price has to come down, test this zone well enough, or even create a lower low, and after that give us a structure to go upwards. That is if it goes that way, because we need to see something here. We need to see convergence on a 5 minutes time frame that's going to take price upwards. So guys, you're just going to pay attention. If you don't understand any of these concepts, I repeat, if you guys don't understand any of these concepts, if you are a beginner and you want to start your trading and you want to take advantage of our upcoming Forex training, right? We got a training for beginners that's going to be starting on the 1st of April. So you want to take advantage of it. All right, take advantage of it. You're going to see the details on our Telegram channel. Take advantage of it. It's a 4-week training for beginners. A 4-week training for beginners. Here it is, right? That's the flyer. It's going to be starting off on the 1st of April, and registration is currently on. A lot of people are taking advantage of it, and I have limited this trading for just 40 people. We ain't going to teach more than 40, and the first 20 persons get access to the early bets discount, which is 33% off, and they pay just that figure. And then those who come in late, they pay the standard fee of $150. You can take advantage of that. You're going to have live coaching. You and the mentor, you get to ask the mentor questions directly via our Zoom live, and you also get access to the recording of the live teachings, all right, so that you can actually scale up in your trading, starting off with a proper foundation for success. All right, guys, let's go on. This guy is actually giving us the move that we anticipate, and the reaction is going to be coming in soon. You guys get ready. Make sure you're active on Telegram, because I'm going to be putting up those signals on our Telegram channel. Now, finally, this is step index. For those of you trading step index, let's see step index on the comment. Let's see step index on the comment. We're waiting for a sell. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? So somebody tell me, why are we waiting for a sell? Let me see the next person that's going to win a giveaway. Why are we waiting for a sell on step index? Why are we waiting for a sell? Somebody tell me on the comments. Why are we anticipating a sell on step index? Let's see it, guys. I want to see those who have been following very closely. By the way, if you're just coming across this channel and you want to see more of the live sessions like this, subscribe to this new channel. This is a new channel. This is our first live streaming on this Freedom Trade House live stream channel. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of our live streams. Okay, so the question is, why are we anticipating a sell on this particular market? All right, let me see if there's anyone who's going to get it right. It's going to be somebody that has been following my tutorials, my teachings very actively. That is the person that is potentially going to get answer to this particular question. All right, so we're looking at this, and we're looking at the reaction of price up here. This is the 30 minutes time frame, and we can actually step into Desmond is at it again. Desmond is at it again. Desmond wants a double package, right? Desmond, it seems you want a double package. Someone is looking for a double package here. Okay, that shows that you've really been following very closely. Desmond, for how long have you been following us in Freedom Trade House? Put on the comments. How long have you been following? All right, let's go on while he's typing that. So we're looking out for a reaction of price. We have divergence taking place on volatility, step index, not volatility, I beg your pardon. On step index, 15 minutes chart, we can see divergence currently taking place, and that gives us an opportunity for a sell on step index. So we're going to be looking out for the reaction of the market, right? We're going to be looking out for the reaction of the market at a point where it's going to break out, and we're going to be going downwards. All right, we're going to be going downwards on this market. Let's see some pretty well confirmation for this particular movement that we anticipating. Let's see step index. For those of you trading step index, all right, let's go. All right, okay, this broke out of it, so this channel is not valid. We're going to be looking out for reaction of price. The moment price breaks out of this trend line, we could be looking out to catch some drops on step index, and the drops, we could be looking for potential take profit here, potential take profit 2 here. You could equally take it at this point, but if you want to give your trader more room, you can actually do that. And finally, if price wants to continue with the primary trend, which is a downtrend, then price is going to be going down here. I'm not going to put the take profit at the tip. I'm going to put it here, somewhere around here. So we're going to be looking out for the reaction of price to take it downwards to that part. But for you to catch that, you should be willing to hold for quite a long time. Oh, beautiful. Desmond has been following us for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and today you're going to win a package from us. Okay, congratulations, Desmond. Let's go. Somebody said MACD divergence first. MACD divergence. Okay, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 much for the second. All right, both of you are winners. Just stick around, send a message on our Telegram. Check the description of this video. You guys know how to send us a message for those of you who that are on the Telegram channel. So you will see how you can get a direct message to us. So guys, this is quite some move. Look out for step index. I'm telling everybody here, look out for this opportunity on step index. Look out for it. This is a risk to reward of 1 to 7, if I am not mistaken. The risk to reward, okay, 1 to 4. Please look out for this opportunity. When we get a breakout, we find an opportunity to sell step index. And when that sell happens, the market is going to give us this. It's going to give us a reaction here before going back up. So it is that reaction to the negative side that we want to take advantage of. Please take note of it. Volatility 75 is still cooking up. Volatility 75 is still, it's still prepping. It's still prepping. So XAUUSD, for those of you who are trading the Forex market, Friday is here and the NFP is over. So a lot of people are looking out to actually, close out their positions for the week. Like a lot of people made profit already for the week. So what you guys want to do is also, try to close your positions. I want to use this medium to also invite you guys to join our VIP synthetics room. That is where everything is happening. If you want to go all the way up in your trading, then you should be in the VIP room. And this weekend, we're going to be giving some 20% discount off for the VIP membership. You get access to mentorship and premium signals for synthetic indices. You can take advantage of this. Send us a message via the Telegram link on the description of this video. So guys, it's been quite a moment. Take a look at volatility 75. I told you guys this guy is going up. That is what I told you, it's going up, and it's not going to drop until it gets to this significant or psychological levels that we're looking at for. We have this resistance, which equates with the value area, and we also has the supply zone at the top. Wait for my signals on Telegram. If you guys really found this session helpful and you would like us to have more sessions like this, if you'd like me to come up live like this, so you look at the charts the way I actually take a look at it, the way I see it. If you want us to have live sessions like this, put on the comments ATWU, right? My ideology about trading is if you can see it, you can have it. If you can see it, you can have it. There's no two ways about it. Just like the Bible, God called Abraham, say, how many stars do you see in the sky? And Abraham said, there's a lot of them, I can't count it. And he said, as much as the stars are, so shall your seeds be. And that is what really is. It is what you can see that determines what you get. So in your trading, before you execute a buy or a sell, you should be able to visualize the outcomes. You should visualize the outcomes logically with reasons, identifying the probability of price going your way against the probability of price not going your way. If the probability of price going your way is much higher, then you want to take advantage of it. But if you figure out that the probability of price not going your way is less, then you want to keep that particular trade set up. And that is what it takes to be a profitable trader. See it. If you can see it, you can have it. I want to say a huge thank you to those of you who got on this live session today. See you on my next live session, guys. Remember, nothing can stop you. You're all the way up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also those who are joining for the first time, subscribe to the channel now. Nothing can stop you. You're all the way up. Let's go. ATWU.